save the file, edit, commit it, and push. Back in GitLab, this green checkmark means that pipeline was successful. If you click on this, you will get the details. We only had one stage, deploy, and if you click on it, you will get the logs from the GitLab runner. We can see shell executor, we can see that it is running on vps.do-p.com, that it cloned the repository, and that it ran docker compose commands. Here it says that the job did succeed, but let's check if website is actually accessible over the internet. Open a new tab, go to do-p.com, and magic. So what just happened? We have GitLab deployed in a Docker container, and we've also installed GitLab Runner on the VPS and registered it to the GitLab server. You install GitLab Runner where you want to run your application. For us, everything happens here on the VPS, but if you had some other server even outside of Linode, you would install GitLab Runner on that server and connect it with GitLab. Note that GitLab must be reachable over HTTP for this to happen, so you might need to tweak the IP whitelist middleware for GitLab service. We've then created the website. We added dockercompose.yml, carry file, index.html, and .env file, even though it is not needed for this particular scenario. We've then created a new project in GitLab and configured all those variables in project CI/CD settings. With everything ready, we've created a simple GitLab CI.yml and pushed it to the server. GitLab spotted the fresh GitLab CI.yml and contacted the GitLab runner, which then followed the instructions from the file. Instructions were simple: run docker compose up-d, so runner cloned the repository and ran the command. This started a new Docker container following instructions from the dockercompose.yml. Because dockercompose.yml had the necessary instructions for traffic, this service was successfully added. Now, when someone types in do-p.com in their browser, it will first resolve to the public IP of the VPS, reach port 443, which is routed to traffic because of the firewall rules Docker added. Traffic checks the HTTP headers, sees that you are asking for do-p.com, and because it has rules corresponding to that host, forwards the request to the do-p.com Docker container. Not magic after all, but close.